Good morning, everyone. Now, please join me in giving a warm round of applause as we welcome the esteemed members of Greif's management team and also our distinguished local government officials. Mr. Oli Rosgaard, Greif's President and Chief Executive Officer.
We are dedicated to reducing our environmental footprint and making a positive impact on the world around us. Your hard work, dedication, and expertise have been essential in bringing this vision to life. I am confident this facility will be a cornerstone of our success for many years to come.
Packaging success together. Congratulations on the grand opening of Greif's new IBC plant in Pasir Gudang, Johor.
Today is a day of celebration, a day that marks a new chapter, not just for Greif, but for the entire Pasir Gudang community. And I'm excited to see what we will accomplish together in the years to come. And as we open the doors to the new facility, we are not just expanding our operations, we are expanding our vision for what is possible. Together, we will continue to new standards in setting new standards in industrial packaging, delivering innovation solutions that makes a difference for our customers, our community, and our world.
The Greif facility in Pasir Gudang symbolizes the power of collaboration and the endless possibility that arise when we work together towards a common goal. As we move forward, let's continue to embrace this spirit of partnership, innovation, and sustainability. May this facility thrive and serve as a beacon of excellence in the packaging industry in Johor and of course in Malaysia, and may it contribute to the continued success and prosperity of Johor and the global community.
One Greif, one team.